warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Febriana Regina Artanti, 9th grade G, absent number 13. I'm here to bring you a story about a cat and a frog. Check this out. One day, a cat and a frog were having a conversation. The frog, who was a considered creature, boasted how clever she was. Why, I know at least 100 tricks to get away from your mutual enemies, the dogs. I know only one trick to get away from dogs. You should teach me some of yours. Well, maybe someday, when I have the time, I may teach you a few of the simpler ones. Just then, they heard the barking of a pack of dogs in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder. The dogs were coming in their direction. At once, the cat ran to the nearest there and climbed in this branch, well out of reach of any dog. This is the trick I told you about, the only one I know. Which one of your 100 tricks are you going to use? The fox stood silently under the tree, wondering which trick she should use. Before she could make up her mind, the dogs arrived. They fell upon a fox and tore her to pieces. That's story for me. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.